Jefferson County Court, Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and cause number 23 CCCR 0433, case is style of state of Texas versus Andrew Chase Hoosier.
There is not present to address the court.
He was here early. Oh, actually has a felony case set today.
The felony was taken care of with a misdemeanor plea, class A, and these two misdemeanors are supposed to be dismissed.
Oh, so the prosecutors need to check with the,
That's correct. Mr. Hoosier
okay,
last week tested positive for COVID.
okay,
And I know he was not feeling well once in felony court, and I'm not sure whether or not he didn't leave. I had to go to the 252nd. I do not see him, Judge.
okay. So y'all just need to check with the felony prosecutor?
It was Jimmy.
Yeah. Okay,
That's it, but I do have, or I sent over to district, criminal district court, a positive for COVID from his, and I think we might have sent it here, but don't.
okay, so in essence, these cases are to be dismissed per the agreement in the felony case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. They'll verify you've, let's see,
And do you have,
that's it. Okay, so you're free to go?
that's it?
Yeah. No, yeah. Or, yeah. What's that?
Hey, approach, Judge.
Yes.
Tell the judge your name.
What's your name?
James Ward.
Ward?
Yes, sir. Last time I came here was reset to the 11th. and-
Okay, hold on a minute. Ward. I must have them down as a.
He showed up late, Your Honor. That's why he's not checked off.
What docket is he on?
We took care of the felony.
Yeah. But,
Is it free trial?
He had a felony, Judge, and I think the last time it had not.
Is he on the docket?
I'm not.
I don't think he's on the docket. Oh, could you check? Why don't you stand up? She's, give her your
Might
name.
have been disposed of, Judge.
James Ward.
Because he was taking care of the felony the last time.
Okay, hold on a minute. She'll check. That he's not on the docket. Maybe he said the case may have been taken care of, but she has to check.
So.
Yeah. Yeah, so that case was dismissed. What is that? September 16th? Okay, Mr. Monroe, your case will be set on a Tuesday, September 16th, 2025. You get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Good, thank you.
Shemaiah Joseph. This is cause number 23 CCCR 2186, case of style of state of Texas versus Shemaiah Aquila Joseph. Ms. Joseph, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Joseph? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Joseph, you're represented by your attorney Marva Provo. Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Ms. Joseph's case?
Oh, you know, still trying to get discovery in this case. I was appointed last month. I think, the other attorney withdrew from her case.
Well, yeah, okay.
So I just need one more.
Give us a reset date, keep it on it's on the pretrial conference docket, page 2, the last case. September 15th. Okay, this case will be reset for September 15th, 2025. Ms. Joseph, you can get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. You're welcome.
Maybe be excused.
Yes, Ms. Provo, you may be excused and you have a blessed day as well.
You can have a seat next to him.
We have anybody, you working on anybody?
Good minor announcements.
Okay. Dallas Clavel Jr. This is cause number M331246. Case is style of state of Texas versus Dallas Clavel Jr. Mr. Clavel, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Clavel?
So, yeah.
Okay. Now, Mr. Clavel, you're representing the case by your attorney Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
And Mr. Reynolds, what's your announcement in Mr. Clavel's case?
Judge, we received an offer. I've been over the evidence from Mr. Clavel. He's asking for a trial. This case did originate out of Groves. I have a conflict going to trial with the Groves Police Department. So I'm going to ask that I be replaced and I can file a formal motion or just request that another lawyer be.
Okay, now your conflict is, you're a
I'm-
prosecutor over there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to rescind that appointment. Okay, the next person on the list is Attorney Jennifer DeLodge. It's on the announcement docket, page 3, Dallas Clavel. Now, Mr. Clavel, your attorney, Mr. Reynolds, who was appointed in this case, has a conflict of interest. That is, he is a prosecutor for Grove.
Yes, sir, Judge.
And the police officers in this case is from Grove, so there's an inherent conflict. So we're going to take him off the case and give you another attorney. Your attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Jennifer DeLodge. Ms. DeLodge will be given information to contact you, and you will also be given information to contact her. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get the information, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Okay, you can have a seat in that chair on the wall and wait for your name to be called. Let's see.
How long handling on the trial?
Okay, hold on a minute. Mr. Hadley, your full name is Tyrone Hadley?
Yes, sir. Junior.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Hadley?
Sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Hadley, you represented, in this case by your attorney Nathan Reynolds. Could you give us a trial date? Which one, 22nd or the 29th? September 22nd or September 29th?
22nd.
22nd? Okay, this case will be reset to September 22nd. Mr. Hadley, you get your reset from court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go on your blessed day. Please have a seat in the second chair on the wall. September 22nd. Sure. Jose Angel Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, your full name is Jose Angel Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gonzalez?
I'm all right, sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gonzalez, you're representing the case by your attorney Mark Steering. Steering, how are you doing?
Today, I'm Mr. Ward. I'm appearing here on behalf of Mr. Day.
Okay. And what's your name?
Daryl Ward, Daryl. Last name is Ward, Ward.
Okay, Daryl Ward. And Attorney Ward, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
That's good. Attorney Ward, what is your announcement in Mr. Gonzalez's case?
We haven't received the offer. We've just received the body cam footage today for discovery. So we'll just go over that. I kind of believe we should have offered.
Okay.
We do. Okay.
Let me do this here. This is,
Next time we have a, once I just look over the body cam, make sure everything's good.
okay, this is an announcement docket. Hold on a minute. Look up there. Gonzalez. Wait for the screen to come up. Did we, there was some bond conditions? You said. Yeah.
We have his interlock already and everything.
No, this is, on his, this is on the, ECW. Yeah, on his UCW unlawful carrying a weapon case. Okay. And you say he has a interlock?
You'd have an at-home one, correct?
Was he ordered to have an interlock by the magistrate?
You have an at-home one, correct?
No,
No.
only
I'm sorry.
on booking, that's it. Booking the red license.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay, so we normally don't.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Gonzalez. I'm going to give you some bond conditions. You will be able to get a copy of these bond conditions from our court coordinator before you leave today.
Right.
I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you in about 1 minute. 15, 30. Say. Okay. Mr. Gonzalez, I have before me a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions. I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you. It states as follows. Following return of accrued information in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional condition. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 3 does not apply. Condition number 4 does not apply. However, condition number 5 does apply. And condition number 5 states that the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer, as defined by section 1.07 of Texas Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, your case is going to be reset. You'll be given a copy of the reset from the court. Okay, need a copy of that. A copy of the reset from the court coordinator. Once you get a copy of the reset in your bond conditions, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
All right, please have a seat in that chair on the wall. Let's see. Teodoro Navarro. Teodoro Navarro. Yes, that's you're gonna reset it on the announcement docket. They need discovery. Okay, I kind of figured that when he looked at the lady in the back and she was kind of giving him some instructions. Okay, let's This is cause number 23 CCCR 1140, case of style of the state of Texas versus James Broussard Jr. Mr. Broussard, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Broussard? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Broussard, you're represented in your case by attorney Theodore Johns Jr. And Mr. Johns, how are you doing?
I'm pretty good, sir.
And Mr. Johns, what's your announcement in Mr. Broussard's case?
What I would ask for, and I with the district attorney, in this matter, well, at least one more reset for announcement, and there'll be a final reset. I'm not asking for anything after that, because the situation, I'm not gonna go into the facts of the case right now, but I think that if I talk with this attorney a little bit more, that we can come to a conclusion in the case.
Okay. Give us a reset date on James Broussard, page 2 of the announcement docket. Keep it on the announcement docket. September 17th, okay. This case will be reset to September 17th, 2025. Mr. Broussard, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
It's just,
And Mr. Johns, I think this is your only case.
I think so, sir.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Just have a seat. On it, behind the road. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. We have Rhonda Roberts. She's in custody? Did we is she back there?
She should be, she's on productive, you ready for her?
Yeah, okay, well, she had a felony too, set this morning.
So she may still be over there. I
Yeah,
haven't heard nothing
okay.
yet.
What's wrong with the screen? Miss Moraji? This is Isaac Stoneham, cause number 24 CCCR 1246. Mr. Bailey, is Mr. Stoneham on Zoom?
Your Honor, I assume that he's in there in person.
We can't hear you.
Did he say he's here in person?
Mr. Bailey, we can't hear you. His mic must have. Hold on a minute. His mic is on.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Sorry about that. I had my Bluetooth headset connected.
Okay, yeah, but your client, Isaac Charles Stoneham, is not in the courtroom.
Okay, well, I'll give him a call, but I'm assuming he was told to be there in person.
Okay, well, he hadn't arrived. Okay. We'll come back to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, sir. Next case is Manuel Sanchez Oliva. Mr. Oliva? Mr. Oliva, your full name is Manuel Sanchez Oliva? Yes, sir. How are you doing, Mr. Sanchez Oliva? You doing good?
Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. Sanchez Oliva, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Jared Gilthorpe, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
All right, that's good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, you would like to keep Mr. Oliva's case on the trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay, give us a date. Okay, the case is which date is better for you, September 22nd or the 29th?
1 second, Your Honor. September 22nd or the 29th? The 22nd is better, Your Honor.
Okay, your reset will be sent to you. Mr. Oliva, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you are free to go. And Mr. Gilthorpe, you also have Jaime Salas Marcato. He's on Zoom.
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Gilthorpe and Mr. Salas Marcato, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Gilthorpe, you would like to keep this case on the pretrial conference docket?
Well, Your Honor, I was extended a new offer this morning, and I'd like time to go over that offer with my client.
Okay.
We had applied for pretrial diversion, and they denied that request, and so a new
Okay.
offer was made. So if I could just have a reset, we'd like to go
Okay.
over that.
Give us the standard reset. Jaime Salas Mercado, page 2 of the pretrial conference docket, the first case. Okay, this case will be reset to September 22nd, 2025. Mr. Jaime Salas Mercado, your reset will be sent to you. Stay in contact with your reset will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, your case is set for September 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Judge.
And Mr. Gilthorpe, your reset will be sent to you. Your resets actually will be sent to you. I think this is your last case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
You're welcome. Same to you. Aaron Scott White. Okay, Mrs. White, your full name is Aaron Scott White. How you doing, Mr. White?
Oh, pretty good.
That's good. Now, Mr. White, your cases are set on this pretrial conference docket. We had just a little brief history. Your case actually, you was reset to hire, and then you signed the waiver, waiving your right to an attorney. Then you again stated that, well, your case was reset to hire again. Have you hired your attorney?
I talked to them Thursday. They were supposed to get back with me Friday, but they never did. Told me.
What'd you say?
Talked to them Thursday of last week. They're supposed to get back with me Friday, but they never did.
So you say you talked to a lawyer Thursday and they were supposed to get back with you Friday, but they never did. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who did you talk to?
Gal Morris.
Oh, Dustin Galmore's office.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, like I told you, this case is, we're gonna, the position of the court, I mean, this case has been going on. It's like, it's about a year, you going back and forth, having an attorney represent yourself on the hiring attorney.
I would like to get it taken care of today, if possible. We can come to an agreement.
Is the only offer I'm giving is the offer that you previously rejected.
But I'm innocent on one of the charges that y'all are charging me with.
Okay, then we can go to trial.
Right, we just have to set it for trial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna put this on the trial.
Okay.
Okay, give us a reset. We'll reset him on the trial docket, and you still have time to talk to Mr. The folks at Galmo's office,
Yes, sir.
the lawyers over there. Give us a reset date. This is just give him 60-day reset. He's on the pretrial conference docket, page 4. Yes. Give us a 60-day reset.
Your Honor, I think Mr. Stoneham has joined Zoom.
Okay, that's okay. I will get to him. His name is Aaron White. He's on page 4, the last 2 cases. What's that date?
Need to do a letter for
Right. Okay, so we can do October 13th.
October 13th? Okay. These cases will be reset to October 13th for trial. Mr. White, you're gonna get your recess. Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes.
Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1246. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Isaac Charles Stoneham. Mr. Stoneham is on Zoom. Mr. Stoneham, how are you doing? Mr. Stoneham, how are you doing? Mr. Stoneham is represented by attorney Jansen Bailey. Mr. Bailey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
And Mr. Bailey, you like to keep Mr. Stoneham's case on the court's trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date. Just hold on for your reset date for trial.
Okay. 26th on the 20th.
Okay, which day is better for you, to September 22nd or September 29th?
The 29th, Your Honor.
Okay, this case will be reset to September 29th. Mr. Stoneham, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your recess. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Bailey, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Stoneham, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 2618, case of South State of Texas versus Ariana Lachey Darcy. Ms. Darcy, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Darcy? That's good. Now, Ms. Darcy, your case was reset to give you an opportunity to pay the restitution.
I don't have it right now, so I was wondering if I could just do the probation instead.
Okay, hold on a minute, let me see, is there a waiver in the file? This is, pre-trial. Okay, she has a waiver of counsel in the file. Okay, just have a seat and one of the prosecutors will talk to you.
Mike,
This is cause number 25 CCCR 0514, case of style of state of Texas versus Theodoro Lamas Navarro. Mr. Navarro speaks Spanish. We have our interpreter, Ms. Jennifer Raji. Mr. Raji, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Raji, do you swear or affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish? So help you God.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Navarro, let's see. Ask Mr. Navarro if his full name is Teodoro Lamas Navarro.
Yes, Judge.
Yeah. Ask Mr. Navarro to raise his right hand. Okay. Mr. Navarro, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, tell me you can put his hand down, okay. Ask Mr. Navarro how he's doing.
Good.
Doing good? Now, Mr. Navarro, actually, his attorney of record is attorney Mark Christopher Thiering. Mr. Thiering is not here. However, standing in for Mr. Thiering is attorney Darrell Wolf. Ask Mr. Navarro if Mr. Ward has his permission to stand in for Mr. Thiering.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, okay. And Mr. Ward, how are you doing today?
Doing well, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks, sir. And Mr. Ward, did you waive a record in Mr. Navarro's case?
Do Judge.
Mr. Navarro, I have before me a document that is titled Information. In this information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office, it alleges that you, Teodoro Lamas Navarro, on or about December 1st of 2024, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Guilty. Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Judge.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Navarro, I have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Judge.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, Judge.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, hold on a minute. He had the top part of the T, but he didn't complete it. You see where he has the llamas? See, okay, let's look on the next page. Okay, I have another document before me that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document? At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Judge.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Judge.
You have his discovery certification?
Not at this time, Your Honor. If we could move forward with the plea, I'll get it for you.
I mean, did he sign one? I have to ask him if somebody went
There's
over
a
it.
form behind you.
Mr. Navarro, I have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Judge.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, this was me. Yes, Judge.
Mr. Navarro, Mr. Lamas Navarro, before you sign and initial these documents, did someone go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Yes, Judge.
And did you understand everything that they went over?
Yes, Judge.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, now, who went over these documents with you in Spanish?
Sí. Sí, speak English.
His,
So she-
his wife, interpreted with the attorney.
Yeah, so the wife
Speaks
interpreted
English.
with it, does she speak Spanish and English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
And it'll be back up. And you understood everything that they went over in these documents with you.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lamas Navarro, are you a citizen of the United States?
He's a resident.
Okay, I need to give him a okay, what country are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay. You can give him this here document. You can go over that document with him. Mr. Navarro, I have before me a document that is titled for all foreign nationals, except those from mandatory notification countries. And do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line as titled signature?
Yes, Judge.
There's one word that's circled, the word is no, and it is below a question that reads, do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time? And you circled no, is that correct? Now, before you signed this document, did Mr. Raji go over this document with you in Spanish?
Yes, Judge.
And did you understand everything that Mr. Raji went over?
Yes, Judge.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
Now, Mr. Lamas Navarro, I'm going to go back to the misdemeanor plea admonishment. This is the first document that I went over on the tablet. And you recognize this document?
Yes, Judge.
At the bottom of this document, there's a paragraph that is titled citizenship. And it states that if you're not a U.S. citizen on a plea of guilty or nolo contendere, it may result in your deportation, excluded from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand that statement? And do you still want to go forward with your plea bargain?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. State. You have like to offer state's exhibit number 1?
Zero for 6-1.
Any objections?
No.
No objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Ward, you've advised that counsel, Mr. Navarro, is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Judge.
It's like it still didn't come out. Just had just a line at the top. You see where you're supposed to be a T? Unless he's pressing the button, unless he's pressing the button at the bottom that erases when he signs. Okay. Now, Mr. Ward, you advise and counsel Mr. Navarro, is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Judge, no comment.
And Mr. Navarro, your attorney, Mr. Ward, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Judge.
And your attorney, Mr. Thiering, has also advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Judge.
Now, Mr. Ward, because Mr. Navarro is not a U.S. citizen, did you advise him of the consequences of him pleading guilty or no contest to this case pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Navarro, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is 180 days period over 1 year, $500 fine, 60 hours community service, the installation and maintaining an airlock device, and $645 restitution. And this is I need to make a correction. It's Julianne Gates, not Juliana. That was
What's the first name?
Julianne Gates.
Julie Ann?
Yes.
How do you spell first name?
Julianne.
Nne. Julianne Gates. What is the full cost? 36. Okay, Mr. Navarro, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500. You'll also be required to pay court costs of $377. In addition, you'll be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. Probation fee of $60 a month. Your analysis fee of $15 a month. A reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $172 a month.
170?
172. Will you be able to pay the $172 each month?
Yes, Judge.
You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. Install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate. Attend and complete a DWI education class. Have an alcohol assessment. And adhere to the other standard terms of DWI probation. No, I forgot to, he's also required to pay restitution in the amount of $645 to Julianne Gates. I need that six. Okay. So I forgot to add the restitution into the monthly payment. So instead of its monthly payments being $172 a month, it'll be $231 a month. Would you be able to pay the $231?
Two what, I'm sorry?
$231 a month.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Navarro, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Judge.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, Judge.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Navarro, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Okay, Mr. Navarro, you're going to stand at the end of the table and follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And,
Yes, thank you, Judge.
and Mr. Ward, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Hold on a minute. Okay, Mr. Gilliam, you represent, first of all, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Gilliam, you're representing your case by your attorney Ralph Killer. Mr. Kimler is on vacation. Okay? So, your case will be reset. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. All right, please stand in front of the coordinator. And Mr. Kelly.
Good morning, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. William Garrett Jones.
Present.
On what? On this one?
No.
Oh. Mr. Jones, your full name is William Garrett Jones?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Jones?
Good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Jones, you're representing your case by your attorney, Tom Kelly. Attorney Kelly, how are you doing?
Okay today, Judge.
That's good. Mr. Kelly, what is your announcement in Mr. Jones' case?
It sounds like we've got some discovery to go back and forth on, Judge. I think the state might be in agreement with that statement. If
That's
we could-
correct, Your Honor.
Okay,
if we could have
Give us-
another announcement date, please.
okay, give us a reset date.
September 17th.
Okay, this case will be reset to September 17, 2025. Mr. Kelly, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And Mr. Jones, once you get your reset from the coordinator, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and you have a blessed day.
We've
as
got
well.
a few others.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yep,
hold on a minute.
on your trial notice.
Okay, man, well, I must have wrote this on the wrong. Yeah, he was on vacation last week. Thang Lang Quash, is that your full name?
Yeah.
How you doing, Ms. Quash?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Squash, you represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly, you like to keep these cases on the trial docket?
Yes.
Okay, give us a trial date
22nd or the 29th.
of September. Ms. Quash, your case is gonna be reset to September 29th. You're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please stand here. Please have a seat in that chair, second chair on the wall. That's the 29th. Yeah, she's on Zoom.
This is Jones. And I'll get you out of that.
Next case is Kaylin Beaver.
She's on Zoom.
Ms. Beaver. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Are you representing your case by your attorney, Tom Kelly and Mr. Kelly? You like to keep Ms. Beaver's case on the trial docket?
Yes, Judge, with the note that Kaylin's gonna sign for pretrial on October the 2nd.
Oh, she's out to, okay.
Pretrial version.
Okay, reset it to the second week of October. Okay, so this case will be reset second week in October to give you the opportunity to sign up for pretrial diversion. Ms. Beaver, stay in contact with your attorney. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of this court's reset. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay. Is that your last case?
That one's fine.
Okay,
Thank you very
okay,
much.
Mr. Kelly, you're welcome. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay. What's that date in October?
October 2nd is the free trial diversion date.
Probably gonna be a week later.
I was good on the 13th. Let me get that.
Sure.
This is cause number 24 CCCR 2618. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Adriana Lachey Darcy. Ms. Darcy, is that your full name? Okay, hold on a minute. Ms. Darcy, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Ms. Darcy, you have a right to have a court reporter to type down or dictate everything that's being said in court, you also have a right to waive or give up your right to have a court reporter. Do you waive or give up your right to have a court reporter?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Ms. Darcy, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. This document was signed on March 25th, 2025, and this document will have a set of initials on a line that state I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself. And it also has a signature. Do you remember initialing and signing this document?
Yeah.
I have another document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding to Trial. This document is also on the computer. And this document was signed on March 26th of 2025. You remember signing this document? I also have a document on my computer that is titled Information. Now, this information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Adriana Lachey Darcy, on or about July 12th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense, theft of property property values greater than or equal to $750, but less than $2,500. Do you understand what you have been charged with? And to this charge, Ms. Darcy, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest? Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Ms. Darcy, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments on this tablet. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there are 2 sets of initials, AD. First set of initials is below a paragraph that is titled Waiver, and it is on the line next to a box that says check guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? Second set of initials is below a paragraph that is titled Discovery Admonishment, and the initials are on a line next to a statement that reads, I do not wish to have discovery. I waive my right to discovery in this case and choose to enter a plea of guilty or no contest. Would you place your initials on this document as well? Now, on page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Now, Ms. Darcy, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Darcy, are you a citizen of the United States?
State of States 1.
Now, Ms. Darcy, the state is offering State's Exhibit number 1 to be used as evidence against you in your case. State's Exhibit number 1 is the first it's the third document that I showed you on this tablet. The document is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. This is the same document that have your signature, your initials in these 2 locations. And it has your signature on page 3. Is it all right for the state to use this document as evidence in your case? Okay. No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Darcy, is there any evidence that you are currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? There is none. Okay, Ms. Darcy, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
State's offering 1 year deferred with a fine to be waived and restitution assessed at $1,320 payable to Lowe's with 40 hours community service and court cost.
Let's see. What is the court cost?
277.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Darcy, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you will not be required to pay a fine. You will be required to pay. Hold on a minute. Okay, now, Ms. Darcy, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you will not be required to pay a fine. You will be required to pay court costs in the amount of $277. You'll be required to pay restitution in the amount of $1,320 to Lowe's. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $228 a month. Are you able to pay the $228 a month? You are. You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Ms. Darcy, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? Now, let me ask you, this. Did she spend any time in jail?
Check, she should have some days for credit, Your Honor.
Oh, that's 2 days, then if you spend a night.
Here, Your Honor.
She spent 2 days, okay, so what we're gonna do, Ms. Darcy, we're gonna give you credit for the 2 days that you spent in jail. So that's going to reduce. The 2 days is you get $100 credit for each day that you spent in jail. So that's going to reduce the amount that you have to pay a month. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so instead of paying $228 a month, you'll be paying $210 a month. Okay. Now, Ms. Darcy, now we're gonna give her 2 days credit. Now, Ms. Darcy, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's? Okay, now, Ms. Darcy, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Darcy, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not appear on your record as a conviction, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. Now, you can talk to an attorney about the non-disclosure. Now, Ms. Darcy, just have a seat in that first chair, wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. You can put your hat on the table. Mr. Harrison, your full name is James Cody Harrison.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Harrison? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Harrison. You're represented in your case by your attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Wilkerson, state is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hubel. Mr. Hubel, how are you doing?
Still doing well, Judge, thank you.
And you're welcome. And Mr. Wilkerson, what is your announcement in Mr. Harrison's case?
Your Honor, we're gonna ask for a reset on this case. Mr. Harrison would like to come by and view the video discovery in the case. Looks like he previously had an attorney on the case. It looks like it was Giles Cole. I was appointed back in March and
I never had an attorney on this case, so.
Okay.
well, in any event, I was appointed on the case back in March, so, but Mr. Harrison would like to have an opportunity to come by and review the, video discovery on the case, so I'm not sure what the, state's position on moving it, to another announcement or. putting
Well,
it on
I mean,
the
you need to have a meeting with a conference with your client. The court is inclined to keep this case on announcement day.
Alright.
Okay, give us a reset date. Oh, that's right. He has a felony case, right? We want to set it on the same date of the felony. So you won't have to be coming up.
Okay, so that, when I asked about criminal history,
Okay, give us a,
September 20th.
okay, this case will be September 22nd of 2025. Now, on that date, Mr. Harrison, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come check in with the bailiff and then go take care of your felony. And then once you finish your felony court, come back here and let us know what happened.
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Harrison, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And this is the other case.
And Mr.
This is Marshall Norman.
Wilkerson, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
This is the case.
that's the
Yeah.
the active.
Yeah.
Greater than 4, but less than 200.
Reset on the same day that you fell in case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
And this is your turn.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Just finished the last case on the dockets. And this will conclude the announcement docket, trial docket, pretrial conference docket in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.